Hey, it's Wendy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Willa Wanders. And I'm here today with the third video in my series on color harmony. So if you've watched the first two videos in this series, you'll know that I ended up painting a page in my art journal with a variety of different watercolor leaves. And after I was done painting all of the leaves, they were beautiful, but they were a little bit boring for my taste. So I decided that I wanted to go in with some mark making to add detail to them. And one of the things that I've discovered, one of the wonderful things actually that I've discovered about watercolor is metallic watercolors. And I have many different sets, and you're going to see me reconstituting some of those pans. And I like to add marks on top of my dry watercolor with metallic watercolor. And in order to do that, you need a very small paintbrush. So something that has kind of long fibers, long bristles maybe is what you call them, but is really, really small. So I've got this #1 Fusion brush made by Yasutomo. I will link it below in the video. And I'm going to go ahead and spend the next 14 and a half minutes with you adding this mark making / line work into all of the leaves that are on my page. And I think when it's finished, not only have I completely relaxed my nervous system, I feel very, very calm, but I've also added a lot of beauty and satisfaction to this page in my art journal. The mark making makes quite a big difference to basic watercolor shapes like leaves. One thing to note about this video is that it's very sped up. So I'm not painting this quickly, and takes about 3 times as long, I would say, to actually make all these marks on these pages as this video is. So it was about 45 minutes of painting, and I condensed it down to 14 and a half minutes for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and put some music on and let you watch me add all of these beautiful marks to the leaves. Before I go, though, I just want to mention that if you are interested in doing this type of painting to relax your nervous system, just to have fun, really, to get into flow state, then you might want to check out my course. It's called Watercolor for Relaxation. You can find the link to this course and every course that I offer on my platform, Willa Workshops. You can find all of those courses on my website, which is willawanders.com. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll be back with another video where I go over everything I taught in this series, but in a much quicker way so that you can review what I've gone over and really sort of commit it to your muscle memory and your intuition so that color mixing and color harmony is just something that becomes second nature to you. All right, I hope you enjoy this. Bye-bye. Happy painting.